Our irrigation system pumps a lot of water.
6 months ago, the well that supplied water for irrigation ran dry, and a new, deeper well had to be drilled.
All of this water is coming directly out of the aquifer through this wells, and so we're concerned about water usage.
To help the Bell family water more efficiently, we brought in irrigation specialist Luther Peterson.
We are removing sprinklers that spray water above ground. We are going to put in drip line. Drip line is much more effective because it waters the soil below the mulch.
Luther.
Hey.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing, buddy. How about you?
Your hand's been in the dirt, haven't they?
Yeah, you know how it goes, right?
It's go time here in the house. Like, we got a couple hours left, but I see your team has drip tubes strung
Everywhere.
all over this yard. What is drip tube?
So basically it's a poly tubing that has an emitter built inside of it, and you'll see every 12 inches there is a hole, and that's where the water actually leaks out. Each one of those holes will emit 0.9 gallons per hour.
Wow.
So if you run it an hour, you get almost a gallon of water out of each hole.
So some people are familiar with the soak hose. This is different, right?
Yes, soak hose is a porous hose that leaks out. It almost sweats. The longevity is not near as long as this. This stuff lasts a lot longer and works a lot better. Yes, sir.
We're coming back in here and putting this in replace of what?
Pop-up sprinkler heads. Nice thing about drip line is you reduce the amount of ground you're watering. So you're preventing weed growth because you're only watering at the base of the plants instead of watering the overall bed. Each section of your yard needs a certain amount of water depending on shade, depending on sunlight, depending on plants.
Show me how this goes together here.
All right, it's pretty simple. We're going to remove the sprinkler head. We're going to screw the adapter fitting, make it sure it's good and tight. We'll take a measurement of where we want it. We don't want to cut it right at the emitter.
Okay. No glue, no nothing, just sticks right on there.
That's it, yes, sir.
That took 8 seconds. Goodness
And then
gracious.
it's just getting it in place.
And so this needs to stay on the surface, right?
Yes, it does. We want it under the mulch, and the reason is we don't want the UV rays beating on it all year long and deteriorating it. The mulch actually works as that barrier from the sun to keep the moisture where it needs to be.
Okay.